quick chart now. uh it won't be a long video, but okay, let me explain it to you guys. So what do you see here? Right, so I'll start. What I see this range, ne, which is our swing low, swing high. Right, none of this hasn't been taken out. Right, so this is major buy side liquidity. It's a major buy side liquidity. Gosh. So guys, it's a major buy side liquidity. Yeah, it's a major buy side liquidity. Right, so now constructing another sell side liquidity, which is major sell side liquidity. Yeah, so now I think we can see, yeah, you can see where the market will throw to. So it's very simple, you see. So in weekly chart, we are bearish, right? So we are waiting for it to take this major sell side liquidity, right? So my outlook for Euro USD now, not the Euro, US dollar index, uh, we were bearish in trend, right? So this was fair value gap here. It's a bearish fair value gap, right? So now I think I made it clear to you guys. You see how it is, right? It's weekly chart, right? We're moving to daily chart now. Check, right? I don't know to you guys, but to me, it's simple. It's simple that you can see that you are going to take sell side liquidity, right? So that's why I'm saying we're still bearish on USD, USD, King, USD index. Yeah. Um. Now this is daily chart, ne? I wanna zoom it for you guys so that you can see clearly. Okay. I think now you can see. Here, right, you can see the pattern. Firstly, it was what? A sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, right? We have a what? It's a bearish candle, which is bearish fair value gap, right? But check, Yeah, it's a bearish favor gap, but check here. This one was what? It's a bullish favor gap, but into inversion favor gap. Right, so I'm trying to be fast there. It's an inversion favor gap here, so you can see that get in. Then this was an imbalance, volume imbalance, volume imbalance. Right. Actually, this was a gap. Right, it's a gap imbalance, volume imbalance here. But okay, let me do this. I'm gonna emit a gap. It's a gap imbalance, by the way, guys. Don't mind how I wrote there. And volume imbalance. I hope we can understand. Right. So yeah. I'm highlighted there. Yeah. So it's a gap imbalance and volume imbalance there. Right. Um it triggered came back here, then goes down. Right. So now what is this? It's a minor source of liquidity. I will not consider that. Let me consider this one. Right. This one, it's what? It's minor source of liquidity. Right. So obviously, after taking this liquidity, we should go back, right? And yeah, I should go back to this range. As you can see, this candlestick did go, try to go up, but to break this high here. Right. Um. So we are still bullish. We are still bearish. We are still bearish. This is a discount week. Right. So I'm at draw consequent encroachment. Right. Right, so above this 50% is premium, above below this 50% is discount. Right, premium discount. You know that. So what I see, we can see it's like this. Right. This is my outlook. Right. So it's on daily chart. So now I'll go to lower time frame, which is 4 hour, and this is my last. This is my last time frame to analyze. Right. So it's an outlook, guys. It's an outlook. But if you want to trade, right, I will update my students on Telegram group. Right. So I will leave my Telegram link on my bio. Make sure you follow it so that you can get more updates. Right. So yeah, this is 4 hour, guys. This is 4 hour. Check 4 hour how it how it was printed, right? We have imbalance, 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 volume imbalance here, right? As you can see, this volume imbalance, right, boosted this, right, right, but failed to break this high or this high, right? So it gives me vibes that we're still bearish. We're still bearish. I think that while price going up, right, it was just trying to rebalance these imbalances, right? I know some people they will be like, nah, this is a fair value gap, right? It's a bullish fair value gap. So when choosing fair value gaps, guys, it's very important. It's very important. I've seen this time around, like choosing fair value gap is very, very, very difficult right now. It's difficult, but there's a catalyst for that, right? The catalyst is know when to trade, right? Know when your setup will be presented, right? It's very crucial. So it's time before price. It's time and price, not price and time. You understand? So yeah, check here. It's what it's a bullish favor gap turn toward inversion favor gap. You see inversion favor gap plays a major role. Yeah, plays a major role here. Right? It's an inversion. Check. There's bearish favor gap here, and it traded back into bearish favor gap. That's why I said it's an inversion favor gap. Then we're still going down. Check how it goes. Check the previous candlestick. The open, right? The low and the open is the same. Is the same price. What do I mean by that? Let me see if it open. Let's say it open at 100.347, right? That is the open, right? Then what is a high? Let's say high is what? It's 100.546. That's our high for this candlestick. What is the close? The close is it's 100.381. Right? What is the low? Same as the open. Right? So obviously I want to see market print to take this low, right? To print lower lows. That's what I want to see next week. Right? So I will pop up the news, high impact news, right? So that you can see upcoming news, right? So it's very crucial to know the condition of the market, right? So yeah, guys, I think for USD dollar, I'm done. There's nothing that I can explain further because if I want to explain further, it will be difficult, right? And I wanted to make this video short so that you can see that it's an outlook video, right? So now I'm going to dive into Euro USD. Right? I'll choose any, right? I'll choose any. I'm not saying that if I'm choosing this, you should choose this. Nah, I'm not saying any of these are good, right? I'm just choosing any, right? So I choose the first one, right? So yeah, but we're moving to what? I'm sorry for that. We're moving to 1 week chart. Remember on DXY, we are what? We are bearish. So here we want to see bullish trend, right? That's that's a tool, guys. That's a tool. You should use your mind. right? If you're analyzing currency pairs, guys, make sure that you analyze DXY first, guys. Right. So yeah, you can see the pattern. You are still bullish, right? This is what's taken. It's a what a minor basket liquidity. It was taken out, right? It was taken, but I'm more interested in this basket liquidity. Yeah. Mm, I'm more interested. Okay, this is what the measure. Do you have a measure society? Yeah, we have. Boom. You see how you analyze with two horizontal lines. Now that you can see, okay, price will likely to go in which way, right? Yeah, I'm still quicking. I'm still quicking. So what what is this? It's a gap, right? It's a fair value gap, right? It's a fair value gap, which is bullish fair value gap. It was respected, bullish fair value gap, right? What do you see? What do you want more? Hmm? Okay, let me cook. Now we are on. We are going to. I hope that you understand 1 week chart. Right now we are moving to daily chart. You know, I want to zoom in this. Yeah. After taking this, you can see that this low, which was um okay. Yeah. Let me explain this to you. You see this favorite gap, ne? There are some people too belongs here. Right? Obvious stop losses are here, are below this below this gap, below this low. Sorry, below this low. This is where the stop loss will be. Yeah, right. So check how the market reacts. It goes up, yes, then it goes down to take this low, right? So it's very important to analyze bigger time frames first, right? Because we can say that now this is the small favorite gap. Okay, we have one, two, three, right? We take the middle one, right? You know that middle one it's very, very um powerful, right? We take the middle one, and we didn't say the middle one didn't work. It worked, but check what happened. It worked, then obvious stop losses are here, right? Then they swept the stop losses, right? In bigger time frame, this was the favorite gap. Do you get what I'm trying to say, right? Okay, I'm going forward now, right? So this was a low, this is our high, right? What is this, guys? I think you must be familiar with the pattern here. What is this, right? It's a breaker. It's a breaker. It's a breaker blow, guys. I hope that you can see. But okay, it's a breaker here. But this is a what, a premium week, right? I'm gonna use this premium week. I'm Let me put the consequent encroachment here. so that you can see clearly. I'm extended. Yes. Wow. ICT concept. This is what? It's a break. This 50% is what? It's a consequent encroachment. Right? Above this 50% is premium, below it's discount. But this week, all of it is premium. It's a premium week. We know it as ICT students, right? So okay, we're going forward now. Check what happened. Goes up, came back to what? To discount, came back to discount, going up. Right. I'm taking this because of okay, let me start it here. Then going up to measure best liquidity there. Right. Um, I'm explaining it. Let me explain it. This is a favorite gap here. Check. It was suspected. This inversion favorite gap, guys. These things happen. Don't be don't get too angry when this thing happened to you. Right. So you see this inversion favorite gap, it didn't get triggered. Nah. So don't stress, guys. Don't stress. So I'm still bullish on daily. You can see I've explained everything here. Now we're moving to 4 hour, which is my last time frame to analyze. Oh wait, I want this encroachment to be displayed in yeah. I want to show you something. You see? Check how it respect this level. So now it's 4 hour, ne? On my Telegram group, I sent the outlook. Yeah, I sent the outlook of Euro USD. I I send it. I said this. The market will go down, then will go up. I think it was right here. Then I say it will go up. Right. Then one of my students asked me privately that, okay, I see, but tell me why. Right. Of course, this one is very tricky, but if you know your direction, it will be much easier. Right. So firstly, we see that there was a bearish favorite gap. Then check how many inefficiencies are there. Right. It's one, two, three, four. Right. And all of them they were triggered. Let me see if you see. Then it goes up. Right. So yeah, follow. Make sure that you you enter the group, my Telegram channel actually. Right. I will leave the bio on my bio and on my comments, yeah, so that it can be easier. I hope that um, you'll find this useful to you guys. Right. Remember, this is the outlook. It's not a signal. It's an outlook. You can check the disclaimer. Right. I'm not saying that you should buy or do something now. I'm talking what I have experienced in forex trading. That's it. So guys, if you want updates on this outlook, make sure that you follow my Telegram channel, and you'll find everything there. And so that we can speak one on one. Yeah, we can speak one on one. So guys, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.